And what are you thankful for?
Why are you guys thankful for dance?
What are you girls thankful for?
Avery, what are you thankful for?
What are you thankful for?
My family. My family. My brother. I'm thankful for my mom. My big sister, Kennedy.
And Kennedy, yeah, big sister Kennedy.
What are you thankful for, Dance Liam?
I'm thankful for my mom and my coach.
Oh! And I'm thankful for you.
I love you, Whitney.
I am thankful for my family and friends.
Thankful for my dad. I'm thankful for my mom and dad. I'm thankful for my family.
I'm thankful for my friends and an awesome family.
I'm thankful for family and friends.
My family.
I am thankful for my family and coming to dance.
I'm thankful for all my friends and family. Thank you for my family. Thank you for my family, my dogs and my dance. My dogs.
My dog Nova.
I'm thankful for my puppy and my family.
I'm thankful for food. Thankful for my home and food.
I'm thankful for food. Thank you for
Doctors, nurses, police,
and military. I'm thankful for everything. I'm thankful for love. I am thankful for my family, my brothers, and I'm thankful for my dance family and my dance friends.
I'm thankful for my family, dance, and being here with my teammates at the new studio.
I'm thankful for the community of people that surrounds me, dance, school, and friends.
I'm thankful for the people that motivate me to better my best.
I'm thankful that I get to do what I love in such a welcoming place with amazing instructors, peers, and other role models.
I'm thankful for Just for Kicks because we do lots of fun activities and the dances are really, really amazing.
For Miss Whitney. I'm thankful for you teaching us dance moves. I'm thankful for to dance. I'm thankful for it because I love you so much of God. I'm thankful for my friends. We are thankful for our dance team!
I'm thankful for all the friends I made in dance.
I'm thankful for dancing with my friends.
I'm thankful for dance because we can learn fun things.
I'm thankful for dance because I love my friends.
I am thankful for the opportunities that I have been given through not only my family but this studio.
I'm thankful for my teacher because I love her.
I'm grateful to dance because there's people in the world who don't get to dance, and I'm grateful for family.
I'm thankful for dance and laughter. I'm thankful for dance and my friends. I am thankful for just dancing itself.
I'm thankful for dance because I learn new moves and it makes me happy. I'm thankful for dance class.
I'm thankful for Just for Kicks and dancing.
On how much time Coach Whitney puts into for making our dances.
Because it's really fun.
Because I have an awesome coach. I made new friends.
I am thankful for my coach and Just for Kicks for being on this team and having fun.
I'm thankful for my team.
I am thankful for my wonderful, amazing dance teacher.
I'm thankful for the new studio and my dance teachers.
I'm thankful for dance because I like to do pirouettes. And thank you for helping people.
I'm thankful for this world and everyone on it.
For coming to dance with my teachers and spending time with my teachers and friends. I'm thankful for dance and my very supportive family.
I'm thankful for my awesome coach Tammy and an awesome home office.
We're thankful for dance because of all the teachers, all the friends. It's our happy place.